Flavor Station. Flavor Station.
Welcome back to another fun-filled episode of Flavor Station! Now today, I know, I'm in my pyjamas, I need to shave, my hair's a mess, I've been tiling in my bathroom all day, and I'm on the slant too. I do what I want. I'm a hot dog, baby. Today, vegetarian carbonara using Plant Pioneers, grown delicious, fortified with B12 and iron. Wonderful. Now, carbonara, classic Italian dish. It's egg, bacon, hard cheese, spaghetti. Now, you don't normally add cream to it because normally the water and the fat from the bacon emulsifies in each other. That's what makes it creamy, but it's not real bacon, so the fat content's less. But I'll explain that in the video. Like, comment, subscribe, do your thing. Love ya. Flavor Station merch on the way. Let's go Sainsbury's. So here we are, Sainsbury's vegetarian. Oh, this is the bomb. Look at this selection. We got, what's this? Pork, plant-based tofurkey. Nah, don't want none of that. We're looking for the smoky bacon. Nah, not that one. Smoky ham. See, they got picnic eggs. They got, shawarma, Cumberland sausages, tofu, mince. Here we go, Plant Pioneers, 8 smoky bacon rashers. This is the one you want, baby. Right, you're gonna need that bacon, the egg. Let me just whisk the egg while we're at it. In the kitchen, twisted like a stir fry. The Filippo Berrio, oh yes. Thanks everybody for watching. I thoroughly enjoy your presence on the channel. You don't know I got love for you lot. Right, now we dash away the egg. We need some double cream. Now the double cream, that's to substitute the fat of your bacon, because this bacon ain't got the fat in it like normal bacon and bun bacon anyway. Nastiness there. Yes man, so the cream, we got Filippo Berrio olive oil. Yes, black pepper. Some hard cheese. I'm using Parmesan grated, lovely jubbly. Put that back in there, no messing. 2 cloves of garlic, some spaghettio. Oh, what's that you ask? That's a Flavor Station chopping board. That'll be available soon on the merchandise site. I'm gonna flip it, because I don't like to mess up my board. Right, crush your garlic, no messing. Garlic CPR, GPR, 2 of them, because they're just gonna sizzle away in your olive oil. You don't need to chop them fine, you just want the flavour. Peel them off. It's not very appealing, but we have the peeling. You see it? Peel that. Come on, no man. Yes, now the bacon. You don't know the thing. Gonna whip that off. Yes, now. Something's happening. What's happening here? Oh my god. Switch to grime. Switch to grime. Switch to grime. We can't surely. Switch to grime! Yes man, now the bacon. Looks lovely. It looks like bacon, but it's not raw. So you don't have to cook the hell out of it. You just want it nice and crispy. Do yourself two little lardons, yeah? Come on, chopper. Why? Now for the dirty board, wash that, you pig. Boil your kettle, steamer. Boil in water. While you're waiting for that to boil, get all your ingredients in little pots. Makes it so much quicker. Cheese, garlic, bacon, dede. And the egg, and the cream, and the Filippo Berrio. Spaghetti. Now, snap mine. See the pyjamas there? This is real life, man. Snap that, and then spin it round. You don't need no salt, no olive oil. Even Gino De Campo says your pasta will not stick. Olive oil's a myth. Grab a wooden spoon. Yes, I'm gonna plug this. Hello, I'm the Flavor Station wooden spoon. I'll soon be available as well. Now, stir your spaghetti. Lovely. Just break it up a bit and it won't stick together, I promise you. Now, high heat, Filippo Berrio, olive oil in the pan. 2 tablespoons, I'd say, peeps. 2 tablespoons will do you nicely. Let that warm a little bit, not too much. Swill that around, swilla. Now, your garlic. Just pop that in there. Just give it a little warm, a little heat. No messing, just let it cuddle it. As soon as it's fizzy like that, add your bacon. Now you want this bacon crispy. You can smell the paprika and all them thing there. Flipper. It's Gonna be amazing, mates. Vegetarian too. I'll take the veggies out there, yeah? Green gang. Give that a little mix. That's a good wooden spoon. I wish you could buy one. Now, low heat, let that just sizzle away. Keep mixing it. Now, check your spaghetti. This is like al dente now. This is like, you know, it's not quite hard. Oh, that's gone. Don't want that. Dash that way. Look, asbestos. Look at that. Sizzle, sizzle. Bacon's ready. Almost. While that's sizzling, add your black pepper. Cook that out. Cook the spice out of it. You don't know. I'm looking after you here. Twister, twister. Loads of that. You want the heat from it. It's beautiful, baby. Now, you don't need to drain this. My Italian brethren told me you want to use the water from the pasta straight from the pan into the other pan, and that is what's meant to emulsify with your fat, but we don't have it. That's why we use the cream. You see it? Look at that. I can smell it through the screen. Flipper, flipper. Look at the flick of that wrist. Look at the flick of that wrist. Lovely. Give that a mix. This is looking like carbonara already. Yeah, the pajamas got the animal bottoms. Yes, man. Bacon. Right. Splash of cream. 4 tablespoons. Oh no, it's a look and learn thing. Measurements in the cookbook. Hashtag coming soon. Flipper, flipper again. Oh, look at that. Like a proper chef and that. Yes, man. Looking like a carbonara now. Now we need to do is add the egg. This is what will thicken it and make it a carbonara. Oh, wait there, salt. Salt first. Oh, now your egg, flip it. I ain't flipping this. Flipping ain't working. Bang it in. Grab the spoon, grab the spoon. Mix it with the spoon. Yes, get all them bits off the sides. Lovely jubbly. Look at that. You don't add your cheese yet. Add that when your heat's off, which we will discuss. Oh, yes. Like and subscribe. Follow at Flavour. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at that. Now, heat off. Add your cheese. I'm sure that's the next step. Lovely. Look at it. At Flavour_station on Instagram. I'm mad active on there, you know. Yes, now off the heat. See, that's getting a bit tough. Add your cheese. You just want to melt that through. Nice, sharp, salty cheese. Honestly. Lovely. Vegetarian, man. You don't have to be dead, you know. It can be a peng too. One of them midweek meals. Just give that a mix. Bam. Look at that. Look at her. Grab a bowl that looks like it's Italian. Tongue that in. No messing. Looks kind of Greek still, but it reminds me of Italy. One of them. Yes. Spoon it over. Oh, I'm going to add some olive oil to the top of this, you know. If there's any Italians out there, holler at me. We'll do an episode together, yeah? I love Italian food, dog. And there you have it. Carbonara, flavour style. Oh, jeez. I'm going to try it, you know. I need to try it. Come here. Come here. Good girl. Yes. That'll do nicely. Quick thing, it's a quick thing. Hope you enjoyed that episode. Do up the channel, share it to your peeps. If there's any Italian viewers on this, comment below, see if I did the thing justice or whatever. But yeah, next episode, follow on Flavour_station on Instagram. So I'm gonna do a poll for the next video. It's gonna be either mac and cheese or American pancakes. So we'll see. And then after that, I've got bare things. I've got jerk chicken I want to do. I've got slow cooked barbecued beef rib I want to do. I've got sizzling skillet steak with tomatoes and fresh thyme. And I've got a couple desserts. 1,000 subscribers. So I've got to bust out the Deconstructed Snickers dessert. It's all sick, man. Thanks for watching. Bow.
Flavour Station.